The Parker H2OPro is a portable water purification system capable of filtering any water anywhere in the world. This suitcase-sized system can generate over 500 gallons a day of drinking water. So this is extremely critical for both the warfighter and the humanitarian.
What's really unique about it is it only weighs 130 pounds. Its portability is what's key. In any disaster relief or in the military, you need to have very lightweight equipment.
So dissolved salt is the hardest thing to remove from water. With the H2OPro, we're actually filtering down to about 4 angstroms. And what that does is once it removes the salt, it also removes all those dangerous contaminants that are larger than the salt in the water. We know that that water is safe and that everything else has been removed. Water is extremely heavy. So 1 pallet of bottled water weighs over 2,000 pounds. In a single day, the H2OPro that only weighs 130 pounds can make over 4,000 pounds of water. So that's 2 palletfuls of water. Now, as we look at water, logistically, it is the single biggest burden on our military. In Iraq, for example, we consumed over 45 million 1.5 liter bottles of water per month. So as we look at the global waste that generates, as well as the incredible expense, the H2OPro solves those issues. Being designed for military use initially, the H2OPro is extremely rugged. So this system has been drop tested, environmental tested through all the rigors that the military would put it through to ensure that it's always going to work every time.
The H2OPro, the amount of power that it uses, because it uses energy recovery, is about 700 watts on seawater, which takes a lot of energy, versus fresh water, which takes about 400 watts. To give you in perspective, a hairdryer is about 2,000 watts. So we're talking less than half a hairdryer. We
take that wastewater and we use that to boost the inlet pressure. So instead of having to have a very large electric motor driving the system, it allows us to run an extremely small and lightweight motor, but we get the results out of that larger system.
There's nothing on the market that comes close to something that makes this much water for this amount of power. So not only have we hit the most amount of water being made, we've also hit the lowest amount of energy and the lowest amount of weight.
In addition to that, it is incredibly simple to operate. So in a matter of a few minutes, you can be trained on how to operate the system, and everything uses just a few switches and color-coded gauges, which really allows the operator to simply make water.
No one person could come up with this. This was a huge team effort. I have a great team of engineers back at Water Purification, and everybody was contributing to this. It truly was a collaborative effort, and I don't think we ever would have gotten there without it.
It is truly the power of Parker and the engineering capability that we have.